I guess we'll never know.
Hey guys, it's BW and today I'm back again with another video, and today I am in Flood Escape. So today I'm with my best friend Sadie. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to hear her and she's not going to be typing because it's not going to show up. So yeah. And we switched accounts today. Hold on, let me check something. Okay, so yeah, we switched accounts today. So I'm in her account and she's in my account. So yeah, so we're playing Flood Escape and yeah. So let's just get on to the video. So what should we go in first? Let's go into medium. I've never gone into medium before, so I'm kind of nervous of like what's gonna be in medium. So yeah, pretty nervous. Okay, so we're in the game. Okay. Come on, please don't die, please don't die, please don't. I went the wrong way. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know which way to go. Like, why am I died. That's just sad. So should I spectate her? I don't really know. So yeah, I don't know if I should spectate her. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna spectate her. So let's just spectate. Just spectating. Ooh, cosmetic. Oh, well, she died too. Okay, so, I died from the last clip, and also my friend died. So yeah, that's, pretty sad. So let's just, do this again. Sorry guys, I have the hiccups. Oops, cousin called me. Okay. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. Oof, no, I'm not going in hard. Hard is too hard. I think I'm gonna go in medium or easy. Okay, I'm going in easy. Cause like easy is the best for me. And the game is beginning. Oh my god, okay, we're in. Okay, so easy is the easiest for me. I mean, it's called easy, so yeah. And I think I bought, okay, I'm getting the gravity coil. Where do I have to go? Ooh, I can't remember. Okay. Gravity coil. Got it. Okay. Oh, I have to press the cart. Okay, so let's just follow these people because they obviously know, like, where to go. So I think I bought an extra life. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But if I, it's open. I died. Okay, guys, I did not buy the extra life. Sorry, I did not buy the extra life. So I think I'm gonna buy that right now. So I think I'm gonna spectate. Yeah, I'm gonna spectate my friend. Which one is she gonna go? Okay, I think I'm gonna go in easy real quick. Leave. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. Cause like, spectate her. Yeah, got me. Okay, she's in. Okay, guys, so she's in right now. She's like really good at this game. Like I said, so actually, like we switched accounts, so I'm basically a noob in this game, disguised as a rich person, and she's like a pro at this game, disguised as a noob. So, well, it's disguised as an average, because I wouldn't call it a noob, but an average, like a medium. Okay, she stopped, she died. So, and yeah. So I have my gravity coil and my sword, but the sword is probably not gonna help me when I'm in the game. Only the gravity coil. So. And it's an average gravity coil. It's not even like a gravity coil. So, yeah, it's an average. We need a couple of players left to join in before we go down. So, basically, I'm really excited for this game. I've only played this game 3 times. So, this is my 3rd time playing. And, yeah, I'm getting kind of good at it. Unlike my friend, she's played this game, like, forever. Like, like, I've played Roblox more than her, but my first game on Roblox was Royal High, so I usually stick to Royal High. Sorry about that. I just wanted to scream. I usually stick to Royal High when I was like a noob at playing Roblox, but then I got Robux and I found Bloxburg. So yeah. And then before I found Bloxburg, I fell in love with Meep City. Okay, guys, I just purchased the unlimited life. Oh wait, not unlimited lives, like the one life thing. And I used my friend's Robux. Don't tell her. And I did it twice. Just keep going into the video. By the way, this is a voiceover. Okay, anyways. So I fell in love with Meep City and Royal High, and I just kept playing with those to my cousins. And until 2017, Christmas Eve, I got Robux, and that's when I bought Bloxburg. I was a noob. I got Robux because I watched TT Toy Games. I know it sounds super dumb, but I watched her videos. She does like Barbie stuff when I was little, so I used to watch and loved her videos. And then I found out that she had like a gaming thing, so like a gaming channel. So then she had Bloxburg, and I was like, Dad, Robux please. So then he bought me them. He only bought me 80 of them, which is good. That's pretty good for me, like, cause like, you know, I don't need a lot of Robux. And so yeah. And then I fell in love with Bloxburg, and then I started playing obbies. Yeah, I started playing obbies, but I've never really played Flood Escape, like it never came to me. Then like this 2018, I played Survivor a little. I started watching Xylet's play. A lot. She's like really good. She plays Survivor a lot too. Xylet's played Survivor a lot. And so I just like fell in love with that. Okay, guys, we're in the game. Oh wait, no, we're not. I thought we were in the game. Okay. So we're still waiting. Oh my god. When is the intermission gonna start? Wait, did it already start? Oh no, it didn't start. We still need 2 more players. Like, this is ridiculous, guys. Absolutely. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and we're still in the like waiting area. So number 1, the game edit and the intermission is on. I'm really excited to do the easy, cause like I said, it's my third time playing, so it's really exciting. Okay, the lift is going down. We're starting. Okay, let's go. Jump. Come on, don't fall. Jump. Get that. Okay, somebody already got that. Okay, you better be careful, my love. Okay, guys, so ooh. Okay, guys, I made it to the second round. I made it to the second round. Hold on, guys, I'm about to sneeze. Achoo! Okay, guys, sorry, I sneezed. Okay, guys, so I just died because I sneezed, or right. So yeah, well, that was it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys didn't. Never mind, I thought that was it, but it's not it. Let's finish this one. Hopefully we make this one. I don't think I'm gonna make this one, so let's just hope. Oh wait, no, we're spectating my friend. LOL, I thought that was me. Okay, guys, well, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a comment, comment, subscribe, and like me and my beautiful self always say, I'll be back with more videos. Bye!